Welcome to qnawire.
All right, let me copy this down right quick. Give myself a little more space. Okay, so now we're asked to click on the two groups that destabilize this by steric strain. Okay, and the thing is, with steric strain, what we're looking for are the so-called gauche interactions. That is, if we have some Newman projection, gauche interactions are those that are due to neighboring groups in the projection, right? So these two, these two, these two, these two, these two, these two, right? So there's always 6 possibilities. Like we could look at this methyl and this hydrogen, this hydrogen and this hydrogen, this hydrogen and this hydrogen, this hydrogen and part of the cyclohexane, cyclohexane and part of the cyclohexane, or the methyl and part of the cyclohexane. Those are our options for gauche interactions, which when we have a staggered conformation, that's where the steric strain comes in. Okay. So the other thing that's important when we look at gauche interactions is that the larger the groups are, the more strain there is, right? So technically there is a gauche interaction between these two hydrogens, but it's not that important, right? Because it's simply these groups are too small to really interact that much, right? And actually, 2 hydrogens being gauche is typically like the baseline that we judge strain off of. We say this isn't strained. Anything else that's worse than that, such as a methyl and hydrogen, is strained. Okay, the next thing I would have you recall is that it's not shown here, but this is a CH2, and this is a CH2, right? And this may help because now we're recognizing, okay, the largest substituents that we have are this methyl, this CH2, and this CH2, right? Right, and then the smallest are the 3 hydrogens. These are not really going to be what we're focusing on, right? So then when you start to consider the groups that destabilize by steric strain, we think about gauche interactions. When we think about the gauche interaction between the largest groups, I'm looking at those, right? This is our largest group. This is basically our second largest group. You could even argue that these are about the same size, roughly. So the 2 groups that most contribute to strain are going to be this and this. The second most contributing to strain is going to be this, and the third most contributing to strain is going to be this, and then hydrogen, we don't really consider to contribute to strain. So if it allows you to click on these ones, I'm not sure if those are an option, then it's going to be here and here. And if it doesn't allow you to click on the ones that are part of the ring, then it's going to be here and here.